Hello friends, today we study the messenger RNA, that is mRNA. It is synthesized during transcription in the enzymatic process in which RNA copy is made of the sequence of bases along one strand of DNA. mRNA then directs the synthesis of polypeptide chain as the information that is contained within its nucleotide sequence is translated into an amino acid sequence by the protein synthesizing machinery of the ribosome. In prokaryotes, single mRNA contain information for the synthesis of several polypeptide chains within its nucleotide sequence. In contrast, eukaryotic mRNA encode only one polypeptide, more complex in that they are synthesized in the nucleus in the form of much larger precursor molecule called heterogeneous nuclear RNA, that is hnRNA. hnRNA molecule contain stretches of nucleotide sequence that have no protein coding capacity. These non-coding regions are called intervening sequences or introns because they intervene between coding regions called exons. Introns interrupt the continuity of information specifying the amino acid sequence of protein and must be spliced out before the message can be translated. Eukaryotic hnRNA and mRNA molecules have a run of 100 to 200 adenylic acid residues attached at their 3' ends, so-called poly A tails. This polyadenylation occur after transcription has been completed and is believed to contribute to mRNA stability. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.